so upset. Can't wait. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Concerned that I'll lose all my OSB because the wind is going to blow the rain that way, straight onto the OSB. And normally if it was fresh OSB I wouldn't be so worried, but because it's been swollen in the previous leak that I mentioned, the integrity is on the edge, so I've got to get this done now. I need a harness. I really need one. I saw them at Lowe's for like 180 bucks, I think, to get the harness and the rope. But I've got to do a lot of work up on the top, and I just can't risk my life without it. So, you know, people think the house, oh, you know, the house is coming along great. Well, yes, a lot of the house is, but the most dangerous parts are coming up now. And, you know, if I fall and from a height, I'm either dead or I'm really seriously injured. I don't have insurance, and that would be dreadful. So I mean, we still have a long way to go. It seems like there's a basic structure here, which there is, but now the cladding, the sheathing, the OSB, then this is an interim protective surface. I will redo it with like a Tyvek material, but I still got to do the roof, all the other sides of the walls. The most difficult part is the west facing wall, which is, I don't know how I'm going to get to it, so it's going to be really tricky. It's a long, I mean, there's a year or so in this house left. It's taken me 2.5 years to get to this point. I don't like working like that at all. Just high intensity under pressure, and you make mistakes. It's not the best job I've done. I mean, it's the best job under the circumstances. I mean, there's times I wonder, am I fighting a losing battle on the homestead? But I have no choice, actually. Because we don't have the money to leave here. It comes down to finances and economy. You know, we are embedded in here and we can't leave. So I have to battle and hope that I can keep up the energy to continue the battle and get over certain hurdles. I just feel this is a huge mistake. I'm just not experienced enough. There's so many things that have gone wrong, and I'm up there in that storm. It's leaking everywhere. The entire building is soaked. It's got on my tools. It's everywhere. It's just, the damage could, I don't know. I just don't know if it's worth saving. I mean, it's 2.5 years of battling against the elements, and, you know, I'm just, it's too much for me. It's too much. I have bitten off more than I can chew. And, you know, financially rock bottom. I mean, I need to focus on bringing in income, and I can't because this.